So I have arrived at my mom's friend's house to learn how to make one of the most famous Sindhi dishes called DAL PAKWAAN. And my mom's friend, who's named Saroj, is going to show me how to make the perfect DAL PAKWAAN. So let's go into her kitchen and find out how to make this delicious dish. I've arrived at my mom's friend's house, and look, so she lives on the first floor and she's got a little balcony with all these beautiful plants. Looks lovely. Plain flour. Hanji. So this is plain flour and salt to taste and a teaspoon of carom seeds, ajwain, and then any sunflower rapeseed oil or a bit of fat to make the dough, and then just rub it in until breadcrumb thick texture. Now slowly add enough water as required to make a soft dough. So this is a very important breakfast for weddings. They have to serve it for Sindhi weddings to the guests or any other special occasion.
और सबसे अच्छी बात क्या है, इसको हम एक दिन पहले बना के रख सकते हैं.
So the dough is now ready. Now this is going to be let to rest for 10 minutes. This is the dough enough for 15 to 20 pakwans, and that's the oil getting heated. And now you're going to start rolling. So it needs to be really thin to make it crispy. Chana dal soaked for 1 hour, then chopped up tomatoes, then salt and turmeric, and then cooked in pressure cooker. This is now cooked and ready, and it takes around 45 minutes or so in a pan, but yeah, you can see it's beautifully cooked and soft. Just finishing with chili powder, ground coriander, mango powder, amchur. So this is a lovely tadka pan for tempering. Perfect small size, and yeah, great for Indian dishes. Just using some sunflower oil. So just get it nice and hot. Just some asafoetida. Let it sizzle, and then cumin seeds. Ooh. Tamarind chutney. And that is dal and pakwan. This is ready, dal pakwan, and I'm going to taste it. Top quality, very, very delicious.